one of the reasons we wanted this was to I wanted to live in something that was more environmentally friendly, but also warmer. And that was something, and I did promise my wife, I don't know if I should have done this, that I would make sure that she was warm in later life. The type of house we've had is a 6-panel kit house. This house came with an air source heat pump and an MVHR. We did actually go and look at one of the houses they built in Wells. I asked, because I didn't notice any radiators, and I said, have you got underfloor heating? And the lady said, no, we've got skirting board heating. Now, I'd never heard of skirting board heating. So I said, are you happy with it? And she said, we love it. So I actually went away and researched this further and found out more about DiscreteHeat, but also looked at alternatives to skirting board heating. I wanted to understand how it worked and if it would work with an air source heat pump, which it would. And I contacted the same lady 2 years later and asked her if she was still happy with the skirting board heating. And she said, my answer hasn't changed. We love it. So I thought, I'm onto a winner here. The sales team at DiscreteHeat were really good, and I encouraged them to speak to the plumber, both two-way communication, and that really worked well. But it was really, really good because they did all the hard work between them. Then I got copies of the actual layout of the plans, of the floor plans, and where the pipes were required that DiscreteHeat would need. And they were really good. They were color-coded. So when it came to actually putting down the pipework for the actual heating, it was very, very easy to do. Carl stopped everything. I couldn't believe he was well ahead and doing really well with the installation, but he took me upstairs and started in the bedrooms, took me around and showed me everything that he'd done, how it was done, where the connections were, but gave me a very confident timescale for the whole build, for the installation. But at no time did I ever think he never answered that question. It was always straightforward and to the point, and I found him really, really approachable and easy to get on with. From the first time I contacted DiscreteHeat, I felt that they had my back. They weren't pushy at all. I was in control. I asked the questions, and I never at any time had any concerns. The weather conditions here are very changeable. Even in the summer, we can have sunny, mild, calm weather here, and then suddenly 2 o'clock in the afternoon, we have winds coming in. We can have a shower coming in. The weather changes, the temperatures change. The heat is gentle. It's a really low heat. It's a lovely heat. It's a pleasant heat, and that's all the way through all of the skirting boards. There are no restrictions with this heating from what I've seen in the house. There's no restrictions whatsoever. We can do what we like, and I really like that. So does my wife. We think it's fantastic. There's nothing sticking out. It's a skirting board, which you have in every house. There's furniture for every situation, and we can be as flexible and adaptable as we want. It's fantastic because you've actually got warm, heated boarding here, which runs along the whole of the window there, and you get a nice temperature there, just a very, very gentle temperature. They're just warm, but not hot, and you wouldn't even notice it. It's fine, and it matches, and it actually runs in well with the actual flooring we had put in. We wanted something that was going to be something that, because we all have joints that ache when you're older. Well, not all of us, but I do, and my wife does to a certain extent. So it's nice to know that we've got a house that we can move around freely. It is warm. And I feel that warmth around me, and that's wonderful to just feel. I'm walking around in socks in here, and it's great. And I'm really, really pleased, as is my wife now, with DiscreteHeat and the heating system that we've got, because it really does all go together well with the rest of the system. So when we had our first night in this house, and we came down in the morning for me for a cup of tea and the wife for a coffee, we sat down and we looked out, and it was just incredible to have had that journey through the house, not even noticing the temperatures. There was no chill, no nothing. And that for me really made this house, and it's made it a really special place to be.